So how do you feel about investing in China on your own personal opinion?
Okay.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I have to qualify myself that I only start looking at China only the last maybe 3 to 4 years. I have been to China quite frequent recently. One thing I have to say that China is not a country. China is a United Nation of countries. It's very big. We are talking about just Shanghai office or Shanghai office. Shanghai population is about, registered population I was told is about 20 million to 21 million. That is actually close to 3 to 4 times the size of Singapore. And it's a very well developed city. And China is only one of the first tier city among the, I think, four to other 5 first tier cities.
Shanghai.
Yes, Shanghai, Beijing, Tianjin, Guangzhou, Chongqing, you know, all these places. So as we move into second tier city itself, the population is even bigger itself. So if you ask me that in terms of development wise, I'm very, very comfortable and confident of China development going mid to long term basis. Why? Because China is not a new power, it's actually an old power have been sleeping for too long. And recently they woke up. If we trace back to the history of China history, China a few hundred years ago was actually the most wealthiest country in terms of GDP in the whole wide world. Yeah, even more prosperous than actually the European nation and actually US. US was only founded for about, I think, close to 300 years itself. So you ask me, China now is back on track to continue to develop for the people. Okay, and there will be a growing class of very affluent middle class that's very strong spending power. Our role is actually to ensure that to go into matured city where the infrastructure is really currently well developed, so they are moving to the next stage of their economic reform. So I'm still very confident in China at the moment.